I never got it here.
So good.
So you get
This
it
is the
here all
first
the
time I
time?
ever tried it, and I got it 3 times the first time. I got it, and it was so good that people started ordering it. Like they was just looking at me enjoying it. Like, girl, it was so good. And for this to be my first experience, they was just like, yo, whatever she had to get her another one.